Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you physics of class 10. Physics of class 10 we are very familiar. The chapter 10 of NCERT, we are familiar with the light chapter. It is the light chapter, reflection and refraction of the light. Refraction and reflection of the light. So, light, first of all, you know what is the light. Light is a very important thing. Without light, anything is not possible to see. Light gives the things to visible. Anything is visible by you, or any can see the things with the reflection when the light falls on it, or it emits its own light. On the basis of light, you are seeing there is a many objects. There is a many objects which are luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous object is the object which emits its own light, and non-luminous which can't emit its own light. So there is we know it is a very important things you have finished in the previous classes. Luminous and non-luminous, opaque and transparent and translucent, these things you know. When light falls on this blackboard, you are seeing. When light will be off, there is no any light, then you can't see here. You will see that in the daylight, sun is giving you the light. Some objects are emitting its own light, which is called the luminous object. Some object which can't emit its own light is called the non-luminous object. Like a naturally luminous objects are sun and star and firefly, Jugnum, that you know very well. Firefly is a luminous object which emits its own light. Burning candles, not a candle. Glowing bulb. There is a two type of glowing bulb and bulb. Bulb, when it is not glowing, it is a non-luminous. But when it is glowing, it is a luminous. Like this, you can bifurcate the things. But light is a very important for our life. When anything is there, light is falling, and that falling light is reaching in your eyes. Light is falling all the place. Light is falling on my back, but I can't see my back, my eyes, because what is the reason is there? Light is falling on the behind this wall also from the sun, but you can't see it. Why you can't see it? Because the light is falling there, then that light which is falling on the object and reflected from there is not reaching to your eyes. It is very important. You want to see the light, you want to see the object, it is needed that light falling on that object, and from their reflection it comes to your eyes. When the reflection of the light is coming, which is called very important, reflection of the light. When the light reflects and comes to you, then you can see. I am not seeing the blackboard. You see my backside. But when I turn this, I am seeing the blackboard. What is the reason? Because blackboard is both the side visible. You are seeing blackboard, I am not seeing. Reason is there, falling the light from the lamp, from the sun here. But it is not reaching my eyes. It is reaching my head, it is reaching my back, all the place. But my eyes is not receiving the light which is reflected by the blackboard. That's why I can't see. When I turn my face, the light reflecting from this side and reaching my eyes, that's why I can see the blackboard. So that is called the reflection. Reflection means light falls on the object and bounces back. In class 7 that is given. Light falls on the any object and it bounces back, which is called the reflection. Like a cricket ball, like a shuttlecock, like a stagger of the carom board. You are reflecting by your hand, pushing and it reflects back. But it has a separate, very important rule. It is not that reflecting, it is scattering light all the direction. But this direction, there is a fixed phenomena, there is a fixed phenomena, and then this is When light is bouncing back, it is called the reflection and refraction. Two topics we will study in this chapter, very uh, important and very keenly, very close will study. Previous class only we have the definition and all. We will solve the question with the formula of the reflection, laws of reflection here, lens formula, mirror formula. We will find the numericals also in the class 10. But previous class only we know the image formation and other all. So very important thing, before study of this chapter you must know the luminous object, non-luminous object, opaque object, opaque, luminous, luminous object, non-luminous object. What is non-luminous? Opaque object, transparent object, translucent object, translucent object, luminous object emits its own light. Firefly and sun is a natural source. Artificial, burning candle, glowing bulb, and burning agarbatti. In the dark room, when the agarbatti is, candle is kept there, you can't see. But when burning agarbatti is there, mosquito coil, you can see because of it emits its own light. The object would emit its own light. The object can't emit its own light. Then it is called the non-luminous. Opaque object, the object who is reflected, bounces back. The light is called the opaque. Not allowed to light pass through them. It's called the opaque. Transparent, which allow all the light pass through them, is called the transparent. Which allow all the light means this is not stopping the light. Light is coming. Sometimes you will confuse that there is a glass between you and anything. Other side you are going and you can just push. You will push there because this is transparent. There is nothing between anything. There is a glass. All the light falling on it is passing through it. And there is a translucent. Translucent is the part which does not allow the light pass through them fully, partially. Part of the light passing through the object, like a oxy paper, wax paper, scratched glass. These glasses, which will only very light image forms, very light image, and this will give you the image formation. What is the image? Do you know? One very important thing, you must know the image. What is the image? Image is formed by any object. By image also you can classify opaque, transparent, translucent. Image will be formed dark, then it is opaque. Means light falling on it and then bouncing back, then there is a dark shape is formed, which is called the opaque. Then transparent, there is no image form. All the light pass, then there is a not blocking the light, so it is a. And translucent, partial, very light image is formed, then it is called the translucent. So image is a formed, image is a copy of that. You can see your image formed when the sun is morning, afternoon and evening. Morning your image is very long because where image formed? Image always formed with the opposite direction of the light. Here you are there. Your image will be formed this direction. Sunrise is coming this. And when the sun is here, then your image is this side. When sun is here, sunrays are here. And when sun is here, then your image is this side. Image is continuously same. And due to this image, you get the jantar mantar. Based on the shadow, formation, image means your shadow form. Image is, there is a image of natural and real and this. But shadow, it is also known as shadow. Shadow, what is that? Shadow is dark. That is called image. Image formation, shadow formation. Shadow of your shadow is here. Shadow forming, image as it is the captured by the camera, captured by the you directly, and you can see image formation is in the inside of the mirror. My image is forming inside of the image. So you can see that how the image form, how the shadow forms. Shadow, it is shadow object. Opaque object, transparent object, translucent object. These things you are getting luminous, non-luminous. How there is a two type of image you will get, virtual and real. Virtual and real image you will get. These two things you will study here. Virtual image and real image in the by lens and the mirror you will get. Here shadow is dark. That image also is sometimes you can say that my image is forming. Actually it is a shadow. Shadow formation here according to sun opposite side. This is all depend on opaque, transparent and translucent. So these things we will study. Laws of reflection of light, laws of refraction of the light we will study in the next lecture. Thanks for today.